Today we're making a new video. You know why I say well? Because there's a new visitor. Si Adam.
Hello po, ako po si Adam.
Okay,
Yan po,
Adam.
magagawa po kami ng vlog. Mag-like and subscribe po. Please.
Okay, let's get started.
Wait lang po, may kulang pa ako sa baba.
I'm just gonna load up my gun. Okay, guys. Who's that? Oh, it's just my
Hello
best.
po, guys.
It's just my best friend, guys. And he has a gun.
Magagawa po kami ng barilan. Babayaran po namin ang mga kalaban.
Ayun ang kalaban. Ano yung kalaban? Guys, wait lang. Meron lang kukuha si Adam. Meron lang kakuha si Adam sa baba. This just got stuck on the screen. Reloading. Get in this! You know what that sound? You know what is that sound? I put this on. I mean, I shoot it under. Ah! Malabas lang to! Okay, guys.
Hello po, guys.
Sorry, ha. Sorry, ha. Dapat din natin makalaman natin ba? Pew, pew, pew. Napapay na tayo yun. Ano? Okay, guys. We're done showing this video. But I forgot something to try. Guys, just wait. Meron lang ako kukuha sa baba.
Wait lang po, guys. Tignan po natin yun. Ay, ito na pala. Ano po, may kinukuha na po.
Battery. Wait lang guys. Try natin po. Battery. Nahulog lang.
Bye-bye po,
Bye
guys.
po.
Like and subscribe!
Wait.